welcome, 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 everyone. I'm on my way up to Oklahoma City, gonna meet up with the Oklahoma City Volkswagen crew, and then we're gonna cruise to the Oktoberfest German car show in beautiful Choctaw, Oklahoma. Of course, this is my second trip to Choctaw, Oklahoma, to the Oktoberfest German car show. So follow along as I go check it out again. All right. I'm at the Oktoberfest German car show. So let's go check out the sights, the sounds, the groovy smells here in Choctaw. catching the bug. A little bit of disc golf here. Pretty cool course so far. I started on hole number 8 instead of starting on 1, which is up here. I started on 8 just because that's the one I walked up to. It's the closest to the walk back to the German car show, so that's why I chose it. Walking over here to get my Funyun. I threw a couple discs on this hole because I was waiting for some folks. I'm gonna grab my Funyun here and walk up towards my disc here. So I started on number 8. This should be number 9, and then 1 will start right over here. It's only a 9-hole course, and a couple of other fellas said that there's another 18-hole course over here. So good news, 2 courses here, folks. So there's my shot. There's the basket. I'm gonna shoot for my birdie, folks, by myself, so I don't have a tripod and don't have a cameraman, so. Folks, it's a nice day for disc golf here in Choctaw, Oklahoma. We got to the car show right on time, but we were some of the first ones to get there. So I decided I'm going to come out here, heck it, I'm going to come out here and play some disc golf today. While I'm here, I mean, that's just the beauty of this sport. It's growing everywhere you go. It's just, there's a course to play. It makes me as a vlogger, you know, on YouTube, that much more interesting. So wherever I go, it could be a filming location, it could be a car show, most likely there's a course close or there. That's the beauty part of this sport, folks. Hole number 2 here, Choctaw, Oklahoma. Ooh, talk about slick, eh? Okay, folks, this is number 7 here at the disc golf course here in Choctaw, Oklahoma. It reminds me of a lot of the disc golf course in Flagstaff, Arizona that I played. There's the basket. It's probably the pine trees. Just a little shot through the pine trees here, around the pine trees. And if you go back to my video, my Route 66 video, and watch that, it will look a lot like Flagstaff, Arizona. This is really cool, folks. So, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and throw here and go back to the car show. Hope you enjoy this little portion of me here at the disc golf course. Okay, folks, they just gave out the awards here at the German car show. And guess who won the Volkswagen category? The good old bus. Yes, folks, the bus won first place in the Volkswagen category. Got myself a mug. First place, folks. They sent us over earlier to go get a refill, or not a refill, I'm sorry, to fill the mug up with beer. Of course, I don't drink beer, but I took that opportunity to take a sip of some good German beer. So folks, I won number uno here at the Oktoberfest German car show in Choctaw, Oklahoma. First place in the Volkswagen category. Amazing, folks. Just coming here to hang out and have fun, and I go home with a mug. That wraps it up here at the Oktoberfest and German car show here in Choctaw, Oklahoma. Once again, as always, folks, please love one another, be kind to one another, be grateful for every day, folks. I'll see you on the flip side. Peace, love, and VW Grease.